Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Water Bolt, a fantastic early-game magic weapon in Terraria. This powerful tome is a must-have for many mages, offering excellent damage and utility. It's found in a very specific location, and there's a crucial step you need to complete before you can safely acquire it. Let's dive into the details of securing this valuable item for your magical arsenal. Before you can even think about entering the dungeon, you absolutely must defeat Skeletron. This formidable boss guards the entrance, and attempting to bypass him will lead to instant defeat by the dungeon guardian. To summon Skeletron, simply speak to the old man standing at the dungeon entrance during the nighttime hours. Prepare for a challenging fight, as he is a significant early-game hurdle. Once Skeletron is vanquished, the dungeon is yours to explore safely. Head inside and search specifically for the blue-tiled areas, as the Water Bolt is typically found there. You'll be looking for locked gold chests. To open these, you'll need gold keys, which are dropped by the various enemies you defeat within the dungeon. Be thorough in your exploration, as the Water Bolt can be a bit elusive. Keep opening those gold chests in the blue-tiled sections of the dungeon. Eventually, you will discover the Water Bolt, a fantastic magic weapon that fires a bouncing projectile. It consumes mana with each use, so ensure you have a good mana supply. This tome is incredibly effective for clearing groups of enemies and can even be useful in early boss encounters. Congratulations on acquiring this valuable magical item.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.